Hello, welcome to our YouTube channel, HBK channel. Please stay tuned and get the latest updates around the world. 7 Meitei extremist groups included in list of unlawful organizations. As many as 7 Meitei extremist groups have been included in the list of 17 organizations that are currently named in the list of Ministry of Home Affairs, MHA, as unlawful associations under the Unlawful Activities Prevention Act, 1967. Union Minister of State for Home Nityanand Rai informed the Lok Sabha on Tuesday, February 6. Rai shared the details of the said illegal organizations within the country in a written reply. In exercise of the powers conferred by subsection 1 of Section 3 of the Unlawful Activities Prevention Act, 1967, 37 of 1967. The central government can declare any organization as an unlawful association, which will be applicable for the entire country, the MOS further said. Meitei extremist organizations, namely 1. People's Liberation Army, PLA, and its political wing, the Revolutionary People's Front, RPF, 2. United National Liberation Front, UNLF, and its armed wing, the Manipur People's Army, MPA, 3. People's Revolutionary Party of Kangleipak, PREPAK, and its armed wing, the Red Army, 4. Kangleipak Communist Party, KCP, and its armed wing, also called the Red Army v. Kanglei Yawol UNLF, KYKL, 6. Coordination Committee, SOARCOM, and 7. Alliance for Socialist Unity Kangleipak, ASUK. 701 cases of sedition and offenses against the state were registered from 2018 to 2022 and 5,023 cases were lodged under the Anti-Terror Law, Unlawful Activities Prevention Act, Rai said in the Lok Sabha. Rai, however, said the number of cases registered under the sedition and offenses against the state came down from 149 in 2021 to 68 in 2022. Similarly, in cases registered under the UAPA, the number has gone up from 814 in 2021 to 1,005 in 2022, he said, in a written reply to a question. In the midst of mounting pressure to revoke the suspension of operations, SU, agreement with Kuki militants, the recent statement by Minister of State for Home Affairs Nityanand Rai poses a setback for the Meitei community. They have been accusing Kuki Sioux groups of direct involvement in the violence in Manipur. Meitei civil society organizations, CSOS, social activists, and the state government have been vigorously pushing for the termination of the Sioux with Kuki militants, but the center has yet to declare its stance on this matter. Adding to the complexity, Meitei extremist groups have been designated as unlawful organizations under the Unlawful Activities Prevention Act, UPA. These extremists have been consistently engaging in hostilities against the Indian government, perpetrating attacks on central forces and posing as state police commandos to target Kuki village volunteers in peripheral areas. The inclusion of Meitei extremist groups in the list of unlawful organizations is a blow to Meitei advocates who sought the abrogation of the Sioux by falsely accusing them. The government has reiterated through media channels that Sioux groups remain stationed at their designated camps during routine inspections. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share. Also do feedback in the comment section below.